So this video I've been umming and ahhing about uploading, but I've decided to upload it purely for education and a little bit of entertainment. So I've changed hundreds, probably thousands, or easily thousands of iPhone batteries, and I've never had a drama with them. About 6 months ago to a year ago, I had a lot of return phones, all containing iPhone 6s batteries that have all expanded to not very safe levels. I reckon I've maybe purchased at the time probably 30 batteries, and of that, all of them I believe were returned. Since then, I haven't actually purchased any more batteries from this supplier due to the quality and due to this incident. So here we go, I'll let it play out. So the story behind this one was it had its battery replaced with an aftermarket battery, and then it proceeded to have bloated from there over a period of maybe a month, maybe 2 months. And it got brought back in, and at the time I was just doing replacements of these batteries, which in this batch there was probably about 30 of them. And this is probably about the 20th one getting replaced. And I used my standard metal pry tool, tried to pop it out, and as you see, bang. So what was the aftermath of that? So in the end I was able to recover the customer's data off the iPhone. Pretty much at the time didn't have any second-hand 6S's, so I had to go out and purchase a brand new one and then restore the backup onto that. The customers were pretty understanding. They didn't really put up too much fuss, so they ended up getting their data put onto a brand new iPhone, and they were happy from there. And that also ended me purchasing batteries from this particular supplier. So anyway, hope you found this entertaining, and I'll catch you later.